Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try another open cup pour. So let's pour a little bit of the black in here. That should be enough. This was a cap from a deodorant and I just cut off the top. That looks about centered. So this is a pearl white. I've got a watered down version, but it seems to be too thin. So I decided just to pour out of the bottle. I'm using IKEA paints. So let's layer some. This is blue. Let's do some gold. Purple. Pink. Got some yellow in there. Oh, some green. A bit more of the pearl white. Purple. And let's see what happens if we just lift it slightly. Just lift it just beneath the surface of the black paint. So I moved it on my spinner. Let's just quickly torch it. And now let's make a mess and spin this one around. Okay, that looks funky. I think I'm going to try and put some more black on the outside. Let's give this another spin. I really like this one. So I think this is my first one that actually worked out pretty nice. Okay, I'm going to do something. I'm not sure if it's going to be okay. I'm going to torch it a little bit closer on the darker edge. Yeah, I'm leaving it. So thank you for watching and I'll show you the dry results. Bye everyone! So as you can see, it looks slightly different. When I started moving, there was so much paint it just slided off one side, so I ended up just tilting some more paint off, fixing the sides with some black. Let's see if it dries and if it doesn't crack, so fingers crossed.